Hey, just a quick little video showing you how to replace your Foglight bulbs on your Series 2 Mazda RX-8. Grab onto the trim and gently pull straight forward. This will release the two clips on either side. Remove the 3 screws holding in the Foglight. You need a number 2 Phillips bit. Carefully remove the Foglight assembly. It's hooked on the top, so you'll have to squeeze the bottom forward a little bit. Squeeze the tab on the clip to remove the connector. Remove the bulb by twisting counterclockwise and pulling straight out. Install the new bulb by inserting it and twisting clockwise. Reinstall the housing and the trim. It's the reverse of the removal process. Behold the light! Thanks for watching. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions or comments.